You come 2 o'clock and you see nobody. You understand? But you see by 2:30, 3 o'clock, you wonder where so much people come from. I'm going to let you over to the governor of the street. The governor of the street, the governor for Uptown Mondays on the street, Sadiki.
JAHJAH Foundation, big up. You don't know. You see me I deal Uptown Mondays. You don't know the something go. We love the plan and the idea and walk on. Because some people really need to get checked out. I wonder if they're here. You don't know me and my brother there, you know. You get to me, I say, and when I see where you know, say we are the street map. And we are the dictionary. I wonder if them are here. Where you want to say, my brother? You have something for say, man. I want to tell.
Yeah, man. Uptown Mondays today, though. Up, way up, to stay up. I walk and talk. Then I don't talk. Uptown Mondays turn up right now, so cars have nowhere to park. People right now, turn up loud. And this one I do right now, I like it. Sadiki. What you have to say?
You don't know, you know. I mean, I'm one of the original dancers them there too, you know, from timeless days. So you don't know. Where you say, my brother, I want to bless up the scheme, you know.
I say, man, Sadiki, Uptown Mondays with them, I say, big up everything. Every party, from party to party. Uptown Mondays with them, is it? Get tested the real way.
Real talk. Yeah, man, video face. You're the man. Go on do the thing face.
Yeah, we are going to turn you over to one of the youngest and the baddest them right now. Uptown Mondays, youth, them we have bust the place. Black Dice crew.
Wicked. Hey, you don't know a Black Dice thing, you don't know a Chubby Dice is done. And right now we are big up video face, hear that? Cigar, big up yourself. We say ask the street, leave the street.
Wicked. No, first dice no. Chubby Dice, Cigar, one big bad dice. Yeah, man. Cigar, big up yourself. Video face, man.
JAHJAH Foundation, you know what thing going on. Big up at themselves. Video face. It's a dark dice, you see me? Represent for the whole Black Dice team. Sadiki.
Wicked.
Hardware.
Snowman.
The boss. Who does that?
I'm not talking to you. We're a dancer, so we have to show them something.
Wicked feet.
So what's up?
Yeah, man.
Wicked.
God, wicked. Come on, wicked.
Yeah. Yes, and you just get piece of the Black Dice. Uptown Mondays with the same way, you know. And you know who we are going to put in right now on the set? We are going to put him on the set. No other than...
Unicorn. You remember my name, yeah? Because my name have a bigger fame and my name not tame. My name not lame. I saw the thing set up, you know, like you wipe it off, shut off, video face. Then man, they tell you a video taste. Look here, don't say nothing at all, I saw the thing set up. A JAHJAH Foundation. And the whole part thing we are dealing with. Where say we are test? AIDS test and them thing there?
Yes, we have to AIDS test. We have to heartbeat and we have to blood test.
Oh.
So someone who come dance and not fit and no money for God dance, just tune in. Right at Uptown Mondays, they're free.
Simple.
You hear that?
Every man grab a girl and knock here. Girl them a do the puppy tail. Back bend bumper in the ear. Man a juke like the Nike here. When the girl them a puppy do the puppy tail. Make sure Risa man is not a girl round there. Remember, you know.
This is unique.
A JAHJAH. I saw the thing set up, you know, like wipe it on JAHJAH Foundation. So if you want your artist and you know when to beat proper, and you want for blood test and them thing there, a JAHJAH Foundation, I saw the thing set up. A unicorn, the girl the money and I love the girl in front of them barn. Right now, I just test my art and it function properly. I go blood test and I say my blood are the best. You understand? A JAHJAH Foundation. So remember, I go bring down the big man, Sirani. Don't say nothing more, no. Remember, star time, you know, star minute and star quality.
It's Rani, just in case you never know. You see it right now, I have to big up Unicorn, Sadiki, Pananak, you see it, and guess what? Overall, I have to big up JAHJAH Foundation, you don't know. A good thing them do blood test free, you understand, them do heart test free, them do AIDS test free, so it's a good thing, them promote free healthcare, it's a good look. Big up JAHJAH Foundation, Rani endorse that straight, man.
Me live my life grimy. So we not test man, no boy can't try. Think them tall and something them slimy. That's something we have to use and that is it. Look here, video face. Look here, we make the big man talk again and we pass it on to you, yeah? Alright.
I say, I don't know what JAHJAH Night representing straight from out of London, UK.
Video face, big up your damn self, Unicorn, Sadiki, Pananak. So tell them anywhere we go, gyal run we down, and anywhere we go, you know the gyal on me down. Nah go lie, anywhere we go, yeah, forget a gyal. Nah go fret a gyal. I say JAHJAH Foundation is a good look. Take a look into it straight. I say you don't know the thing go. A Jada Night representing, you know, sick, you know. I say it's a hard test, you know. All kind of tests, everything free. Blood tests, AIDS tests, everything free. Just check up the thing global. Mother ass. Straight. JAHJAH Foundation.
Yeah, and I saw it go. Mad love in Jamaica. I saw them deal with it. You understand me? Crazy artists come out just to represent and to take them free artists. JAHJAH Foundation is a good look. We are going to turn you over to the Rasta man, yeah.
Yeah, me know, bossa, yeah, me know JAHJAH Foundation. Let Jah rise and make the enemy them scatter. JAHJAH Foundation, how we have up the bossa. JAHJAH Foundation, we have the bossa. Table and the Arab and the Jadat and the bone crusher. Hey, we sing sweeter than the boy Usher. Them no know liquor Zeke, so them call tougher. And the young generation where them can't go for. Me say we cut neat than a stone cutter. Me say like puff that the chest a go and puffer. Hey, Foundation, JAHJAH Foundation. How we have up the bossa. A Jamaica, bossa. Rather damn, yeah man. Yeah, what big things are going on. The party nice and everything lock, you know. Cape and full giant Jamaican. Yeah, man. You can come get your free hard chest, your AIDS chest, your chicken gungo chest, your ambolious chest. All kind of check you can come get. Jah know JAHJAH Foundation and the real foundation. Celestia.
Yes. And we have a bad selector right here now. More on P side. His name Bone and Arrow. Fire now.
So you know the thing, DJ Bono talking, you know the thing, but they have Bono Prod from earlier out, you understand? You know the thing, you know sir, JAHJAH Foundation, you know the promotion thing, you know sir, you can get an artist, only artists you can get, you know the thing, so they are Uptown Monday around the streets, you know the thing, Bono Prod, you know the thing, I go in at the party and all the vibes, you know the thing, Bono Prod.
Well, you don't know. Chucky Smooth, I represent for Smooth Skankers, you see me? And we have to big up JAHJAH Foundation right now with the Uptown Mondays, I shell it. I swear, the party are sick. Every Monday, you see me? JAHJAH Foundation, you can come check up your artists, whatever, you see me? AIDS, whatever, you see me? So big up JAHJAH Foundation, and right now, Smooth Skankers have a new dance named Wow. You see me? Right now.
It's simple.
Yeah, catch P side.
Whoa.
I say nothing. You see me? Video face, big up yourself, you see it? Mad thing.
Yeah man, I'm mad love, you know. Yeah. A JAHJAH Foundation, you know. And them I take the heart and the blood and every test in there. Uptown Mondays them they're live. And guess what now? Manny Gucci are the baddest thing them. Alongside the whole of Uptown Mondays dancers them. So guess what now? We make them give a piece. We big up JAHJAH Foundation and the whole thing.
I'm a tough fuck, I know a JAHJAH Foundation and a Manny Gucci. I don't know a whole color squad there. I don't know the thing go. I'm a tough fuck. We know nobody watch, we just watch JAHJAH on TV. You know the thing go, watch what? Pepper bunks are running in there. 1 hour ash.
Watch the pepper, cause that one ash. Video face, you don't know how the thing go. Famous Manny Gucci, JAHJAH Foundation. That's right, that's where it's at right now. New York, New Jersey, the whole team, big up, the whole color squad there, fresh.
Yeah, me I say no, JAHJAH Foundation. Yeah, me I say no, the one that oil ash, you know, upgrade attack, you know. Yo, enough people, I don't know if you check out, if you don't have AIDS, any blood, anything, you see me, just check out. I have to have the pepper bunks, you know. If you don't have the pepper bunks, you can't do it, you know. You see me? So check out your blood pressure. If you have AIDS and everything, you see me? Yo, the student, pepper bunks.
Alright, watch out. Yo, video face. I Jamaican rapper this. I hear what me I say. They say if you don't get tested, you need to go test right now. And right now it's go on JAHJAH Foundation.
Yeah, I mean JAHJAH Foundation, big up. Video face, you don't know, you know, hard for deal with emotion, my name, everything alright. Check we are checking.
Yeah, man,
I mean,
check your blood pressure.
Alright. Because we don't have no syphilis, we don't have no AIDS, we don't have nothing, you know. Straight.
Giants them.
You know what I mean? Whole up, whole color squad, big up yourself, you don't know. Alright.
Yo, dirty cup in the building, you know. A JAHJAH Foundation, you know. And them do the free heads test. Why you big them up, you know?
So real, so real, so real. Who now hear them are gonna feel steadily, deadly. You don't know it's dirty and that's the deal. Low, smoother do. A bigging up JAHJAH Foundation, you know, say, so the realness from the start, you see me? JAHJAH Foundation spark, you know. Yeah, them do the heart test, the blood test, every test. You don't know. I'm more blessed, you see me? Less stress. No. So nice. So.
JAHJAH bless, you don't know now. Jah got his eyes on you. Watch every move you make. JAHJAH Foundation, you don't know now. 2015, marijuana, exit. Yo, you don't know a movement. Dirty. Whoa.
May I turn you over to Wessie. One of the baddest things from Swash International right now. From out of downtown Kingston. West Kingston. To be Pacific. You understand me? Wessie, take it away.
So what them say, JAHJAH Foundation. Which boy you can come and get your free AIDS tests. And them come from New Jersey Nets. You see, so you don't know the thing, them fresh. Out of US, America, saying and them there. In a cool Jamaica going all the vibes. So you don't know, ladies, man, everybody. If you don't feel like you have here, just come take a checkup. You see, you don't know, don't feel take a checkup. You see, I remember when you have sex, use a condom, pinch, leave an inch and roll. So what they here with the Uptown Mondays going all the vibes, you see? West from social represent, you see? You don't know, manners and respect, you see? Don't forget, take a checkup, take a check. Check. Yeah. It have to be a mother for me to be back, but take a check up. Out.
Yeah, come here, I go forward inside now. West. Come here, she. Yeah. This is Father's Witty, the founder and the owner of Uptown Mondays daughter. You understand me? This event is over 15 years old. You know how long that event running right now? And you know how you have to keep a strong team to keep up an event so long. So we are turning over to Uptown Mondays boss daughter, Father Witty. Take it away.
Oh, well, you know, it's a good thing in dancehall that everybody knows their status. It's always good to know your status and know that, you know, if you can't keep it safe, you have to just abstain from sex. And it's nice that we in dancehall educate ourselves, because everybody thinks that dancehall is some dunce people and we're non-educated people. But we're smart and we keep it real. We keep it dancehall, because dancehall is 100 and it's always tradition. And it's our tradition, Jamaican tradition. So we keep it safe, or we keep Jamaica safe.
Yes, so I want to big up JAHJAH Foundation.
Yeah, we're big up
New York, New Jersey.
We're big up JAHJAH Foundation. Thanks for coming to Jamaica to give us this free AIDS test, because some of the people can't pay for it. And you know, we make it partying safe. So it's always a party in our party safe and keep it real safe. So safe sex is always the best sex. And if you can't have safe sex, no sex at all.
You hear that? I hope you hear
Thank you.